Looking for a fine dining experience at the heart of Alabang with great view of the city? To celebrate our 7th year wedding anniversary, we had dinner at the Nest Dining in the Sky at Vivere Hotel Alabang. We enjoyed their breakfast buffet, so we decided it is about time to try their fine dining service. We booked them online via their website and paid 750 pesos per head for reservation. Deductible naman to from our total bill on the day. Sobrang ganda ng view ng city and feels cozy and intimate. We ordered Vivere House salad, laksa, buffalo chicken tenders, rosemary chicken with herb rice, beef salpicao, and chocolate molten lava cake for dessert. Food is really good and service is great. They are really thoughtful and gave us a complimentary cake to celebrate with us. The best part is we only paid 3,600 pesos inclusive of reservation fee na to for our dinner. And syempre, nakapag-sharon tayo kasi ang dami pala naming na-order. We really enjoyed and we will surely come back. Yun lang! Bye!